Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law number 2. This morning we have 3 dockets. We have an announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and a trial docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling of the matter. If you're representing yourself or if you do not have an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 1758, case is style State of Texas versus Joshua Dwayne Simon.
He's present.
Mr. Simon, where is he? Okay. Mr. Simon, your full name is Joshua Dwayne Simon?
Sure.
How are you doing, Mr. Simon? That's good, Mr. Simon. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Kevin Lane. Attorney Lane, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hupin. And again, Mr. Hupin, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Now, this case is on the trial docket. And state, are you ready?
Your Honor, state would like to leave this case on the trial docket.
Okay. So the state is not ready. And defense,
Your Honor, we're ready. Mr. Simon does have a GPS monitor on his ankle. We are asking that the court remove that or modify the conditions of his bail.
you have to file a motion and we'll have a hearing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this case, it's not even a year old. Okay. This case is going to be reset. Give us a reset date. Okay, this case is reset. We'll keep it on the trial docket for
Yes,
April
sir.
13th, 2026. Okay, Simon, you can get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Lane, do you have any more cases?
I do not.
Okay, this is John. Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Gerard Wayne Jones. Mr. Jones, your full name is Gerard Wayne Jones?
Jared,
Jared?
Yes.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Jones?
I'm all right.
Okay, now, Mr. Jones, let's see. Okay, Mr. Jones, you were in court on January 12th, 2026. At that time, you stated that you wanted your case reset to hire your own attorney. Have you hired your own attorney?
I haven't found one because I just recently found out that my, where I work, they didn't get the contract. And I haven't been working much because of the weather and stuff like that, because work slowed down. So I haven't been able to find one or afford one to pay half of what I have to pay them.
Okay, now, Mr. Jones, you're aware, I'm looking at the judge's explanation of rights to defendants without attorney that you signed. In that document, it stated that regarding your right to have an attorney, you have 3 options. Number 1, you can hire your own attorney. Number 2, if you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. Or number 3, you may waive your right to an attorney to represent yourself.
Right.
Okay.
I tried to get a court appointed, but I was told I'd make too much money.
Well, apparently you're saying that you're not working now.
No, I'm working. I just work slowed down, so I haven't been able to accumulate enough money to pay for, you know, like half or whatever it needs to be to,
The retainer fee, whatever the
Yeah, yes, sir.
retainer fee.
right.
I mean, attorneys, lawyers have different retainer fees. Okay? So, what we can do, so you need some more time to get the money?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset your case to give you the time so that you can get the money to hire the lawyer that you would like to hire.
Okay.
Okay? So, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. Page 8 of the announcement document, the last case. Okay, let's see. Um, what, you see? His client is not here unless he's on, oh, he's on, okay. Okay, next case is cause number 24 CCCR 0813. Case is style the state of Texas versus Aiden Gage Terrell. Mr. Terrell is on Zoom. Mr. Terrell, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Terrell, you're represented by your attorney John Macy. And Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking. How about
You're
yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking as well. Now, Mr. Macy, this case is on a pretrial conference docket. What is your announcement?
Mr. Chero signed up and he is currently in the BIP program.
Okay.
So I guess we need a reset.
Okay,
He just signed up about a month or so ago, so however long you want to make it.
okay, just give him a standard reset. Okay, this case will be reset to April 20th, 2026. Mr. Terrell, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset dates. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, your reset date is April 20th, 2026. If you have completed the BIP program before that date, make sure that you inform your attorney so that he can get that information to the district attorney's office.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. And Mr. Macy, is this your only case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Macy, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Next case is cause, well, two cases. Cause number 25 CCCR 0652, case of Styles, State of Texas versus Donald Ray Darden II. And Mr. Darden, you're represented by your attorney, Charles Rojas, who is on Zoom. Okay.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. And how are you doing, Mr. Darden? That's good. And Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, now, Mr. Rojas, your case is on the trial docket, and we have actually, you should be aware that we have a new prosecutor in court who's assigned to this case, and Mr. Huber is here, and he has informed the court that the state is not ready on this case. You have any objections?
No objection, Judge. I was informed over the weekend.
Okay, so this case will be reset. Give us a reset date. This case will be reset to April 13, 2026 on the trial docket. Mr. Darden II, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court coordinator. Donald Darden, the other person. Okay, he's the same guy?
Yeah, I don't know what it was like.
Oh, okay, so he has two cases.
He has two cases, Judge.
Okay, they have him as the second and door, okay. Okay, so both your cases are gonna be reset.
Okay, but I got my license for the second case. Do I give it to my lawyer? Like, I got a gun like this.
Well, you can, yeah, whatever you got, yeah, you could check with your attorney. Okay, Mr. Rojas, you have any more cases?
No, Judge, I believe those are my only two cases.
Okay, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You as well.
Thank you. Rodrigo Aguilar Castillo.
Yes,
Okay.
Judge.
How you doing, Mr. Gilthart?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Aguilar was on Zoom earlier. I see he has his mic on mute.
Yeah, it appears.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to get it back flowing, sir. How
Oh,
you
no,
doing?
that's fine. You
Yep.
good? Okay, now, Mr. Aguilar, how are you doing? Oh,
I'm doing fine. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, Mr. Aguilar Castillo's case is on the court's pretrial conference docket. What is your announcement?
Judge, he's been accepted into the pretrial diversion program, and so we're just waiting to get him signed up. But he's been approved, and I'm assuming he'll be signed up on the April signing.
Okay, so we need to give us a reset date in April. He's in pretrial, the proof of pretrial diversion. He's on page 2 of the pretrial conference docket, Rodrigo Aguilar Castillo. Okay, this case will be reset to April 20th of 2026. Mr. Aguilar Castillo, you'll get your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with them. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Gilthorpe, is this your only case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go as well. Your
Thank you,
reset
Judge.
will be sent to you and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Take care,
Judge.
Judge.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Judge, can we approach him and call you?
Collier.
David Fabian.
Okay, Dantavian Collier.
Good morning.
Mr. Collier, your full name is Dantavian Collier. How you doing, Mr. Collier?
Good morning.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Collier, you're represented in your case by your attorney, James Paget. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And state, hold on a minute. Okay, the state is represented in this case by attorney Nicholas Jeter. Mr. Jeter, how are you doing?
Well, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Jeter, you wanted to approach on Collier's case?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like to ask for more time. We're still trying to get a hold of the complaining witness.
Okay, you have any objections?
I don't have any objections as long as we could, I mean, if, I don't know how much time he would like, if we could have
30 days.
because it's been, you know, they've been looking for a complaining witness for quite a while.
Okay,
Yeah, so we really need to just confirm.
Yeah, I mean, if I had some, I trust his opinion. I've spoken to him about the case, so if you would give him 30 days,
Okay.
we know it'll come to it.
give us a 30-day reset. This case will be okay, good. Let him check his
Let's
calendar.
be safe, just so I don't have to make it.
Because I know one day you had,
That's exactly right. That's why I keep it handy.
that might have been the 13th.
It is.
Okay,
You have
Yeah.
a very good memory.
yeah.
Not the 13th.
Yes, ma'am. Could you give me another day?
You want April 6th or the 20th?
April 20th is perfect.
Okay, this case will be reset to April 20th, 2026. Mr. Kari, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Paget, you have any more cases?
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Okay, all right, yeah, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I can shut it today. All right.
Oh, okay, hold on, Kevin Lane, reset that one. This one reset. Oh, hold on. Reset is sick.
I could just.
See if we have some discussions. Christopher Smith. Oh, he's not here. Okay. Darian Broussard. Good morning. Mr. Broussard, your full name is Darian Broussard?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Broussard? That's good. Now, Mr. Broussard, you represented in your cases by your attorney, Ryan Matuska. Now, Ryan Matuska is no longer criminal private practicing defense attorney. He's taking a job with the Federal Public Defender's Office. So he has to be removed off of your case.
Yes, sir.
And he was your court-appointed attorney, so we can appoint another attorney to represent you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And
Your turn, make sure your phone's on vibrate.
actually, the attorney that will be appointed to represent you, he's currently in court today. His name is David Grove. Attorney Grove will be given information to contact you. Okay, that's Mr. Grove behind you, talking to the gentleman in the gray suit.
Yes, sir.
And so I'm gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, if Mr. Grove has some time, he'll talk to you. All right? All right. And we need to tell Mr. Grove.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Grove,
Yes, sir.
I just appointed you Mr. Broussard. That's the gentleman right there. Okay.
I'll give Mr. Broussard.
Everything's good.
Okay.
All right, just have a seat and I'll call you.
May I approach your honor?
Yeah. Okay, hold on a minute. David Grove. Yes. Kenneth Lee Davis. Okay. Mr. Davis, you can take your mic off of mute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Davis?
I'm good. How you?
That's good. Now, Mr. Davis, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore is not here standing in for Attorney Galmore, is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, she do.
Okay, now, Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement in Mr. Davis's case?
We are still working through discovery on this case, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date.
April 15th.
This case will be reset to April 15th, 2026. You can get your Now, Mr. Davis, your attorney, your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. And that date is April 15th, 2026 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next case, well, the next two cases are cause numbers 24-CCCR 0958 and cause number 24-CCCR 0959. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Aaron Scott White. Mr. White, would you please come forward? Mr. White, your full name is Aaron Scott White.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. White?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. White, you representing your cases by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here standing in for Attorney Galmore. Is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Simmons, what are your announcements in Mr. White's cases?
It's no, we're still working for discovery, Mr. White.
Okay. It's gonna be reset on the same day? Okay, Mr. White, your cases will be reset until April 15, 2026 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. You'll get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a blessed day.
You too.
And Ms. Simmons, lead on. Okay, you're free to go as well?
Thank you.
You have a blessed day. Same here. Ready?
Your Honor, can we approach on Aaron Riley?
Hold on a minute. Docket is he? What docket is he on? Is he
Oh,
on?
I'm sorry.
Aaron Riley. Oh, okay. Mr. Broussard, Mr. Boudreau, that's Mr. Boudreau's case. Okay, Mr. Boudreau and Aaron Riley, would you please come forward? This case is on the court's announcement docket. Ms. Riley, your full name is Aaron Riley?
Yes,
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
That's good. Now, Ms. Riley, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Don Boudreau. How are you doing, Mr. Boudreau?
Just fine, sir.
That's good. Now, Ms. Riley, I see that you have a felony case
Yes.
set as well. Okay. Now, Mr. Boudreau, what's your announcement in Ms. Riley's case?
Yes, sir.
What is your announcement?
Your Honor, it's probably gonna be coming up in next month on the felony.
Okay, so the felony is still pending
Yeah,
and,
we don't anticipate being able to resolve the case until the felony is resolved.
do we have could you look up the
They-
court date that is set?
April 22nd, Your Honor.
April 22nd? Is that correct?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we will reset this case to April 22nd along with your felony. The felony is on that date, so we'll reset this case on the same day. Now, on that date, what you need to do on April 22nd, you're gonna check in here at 9 a.m. with our bailiff, and then you'll go down the hall. You'll go to the felony court, and once you finish there, you come back here.
Okay,
Okay? So you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
thank you.
You're welcome. And Mr. Boudreau, is this your only case?
Only one I know of.
Okay, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day once you get your reset. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Carpenter? We ready on yours? Jermaine Patton? Patton, would you please raise your right hand? Swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You may put your hand down. How are you doing? Again? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Carter, do you waive a record, Mr. Patton's case?
I do.
Ms. Patton, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jermaine Patton, on or about October 23rd of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you was committed to Class A misdemeanor offense of prostitution. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Excuse me, Your Honor, it's Class B. I think.
Oh, it's
I
a
think there's-
Class A on the information.
but
Okay, I'm looking at the information. It says,
I know the state's record puts it as a B and then.
okay,
there's a
well, let me
discrepancy
see
in the
how the
information.
penal code put it as. Yeah. $43.01. $43.01.
And my notes.
That's definitions. Prostitution, commits an offense and yes, agrees to receive a fee. An offense is a Class B misdemeanor, except it is a Class A if the act has previously been convicted. It doesn't allege a prior commission, does it? And they're knowingly agreed to another place of purpose of bidding. Namely, yeah, it's only, it'll be a. What is it on the, how did it come out on the judgment? Yeah, he filed it wrong. They're gonna have to
Amend the information.
not amend the information is fine. They put in the wrong code when they coded it, and so it comes out, so. Yeah, no, it's a B.
Oh.
It's a A if it's a, if he had a previous conviction one or more times. He didn't have and it's not alleged, no previous conviction is alleged in the information.
Okay, so there was nothing in the history.
Yeah, so the DA's office is gonna have to, you're gonna have to call the secretary, they're gonna have to recode it
Okay.
so that we can, so the judgment can come out right.
It looks like in the actual system, it shows it's a thing.
Yeah, our system has it covered as B.
Well, but all of the paperwork that she has is coming out as an A, so
Yeah.
it has to, so, and what happens is,
Yeah.
the program is coded, it's coded as an A. So just make sure you just have them to double check it to recode. It'll take a few minutes for them to do that. And then once they get it in the system, then we can go back and, she has to go back and do the judgment. So it'll come out right.
Okay, we'll work on that right now.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
okay, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You fixed it? Huh? Okay, I think she said she fixed it, you could
Hold on,
tell.
Nick.
She said she fixed it, so.
Okay.
Yeah. No,
Well,
I
it's
don't-
supposed to be, Class B.
Okay, Mr. Patton, you was previously sworn in. Mr. Patton, I have before me a document that's titled information. In this information, it alleges that you, Jeremy Patton, on or about October 23rd of 2020 while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to Class B misdemeanor offense of prostitution. Mr. Patton, do you understand what you've been charged with? To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest? No contest? Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Patton, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials, JP on the line next to the box is check no contendere, which means no contest. Do you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document. And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box says check states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box says check states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Where's the discovery certification? Yeah, the discovery certificate. Oh. I also have before me a document that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document? Yes. Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? And Mr. Patton, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Patton, are you a citizen of the United States?
Statement to admit Exhibit 1.
Any objection?
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Carlton, you advised and counseled Mr. Patton. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Patton, your attorney, Ms. Carlton has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Patton, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
60 days, probated over 1 year, $200 fine plus court cost, and 40 community service hours.
Okay. And Ms. Barton, were you appointed in this case?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay. What's the court cost?
377.
$377. Okay, Mr. Patton, the state is offering that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $200 plus court costs of $377. You'll be required to pay a probation fee $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. And you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $167. Excuse me, court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Now, your total monthly installments that you are required to pay in this case is $167 a month. Now, will you be able to pay the $167 each month? What, while you're on probation? Okay, this is that deal. Okay, now, Mr. Patton, I have a document before me that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. I'm handing this document to your attorney. She will hand it to you for you to review. Please review that document. Is everything on that document still true and correct today?
Child support, and so I got a child support court tomorrow.
Okay, wait, I'm saying what's now, so. Right now, so the court is gonna find that you're indigent. And I have to recalculate the numbers. Okay. Mr. Pettis, the court is gonna find that you're indigent based on the finding of indigency. The fine of $200 for the court cost of $377 will be converted to 46 hours of community service pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The attorney's fees in this case of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G1-1 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $50 will also be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. You will be required to pay the reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments in this case will be $48 a month. I mean, $44 a month. Do you understand that? Now, you'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. That's in addition to the 46 hours that was converted from the fine and court costs, which comes to a total of 86 hours of community service. You will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Mr. Patton, do you understand the state's offer and adjustments that court have made? And do you think it's fair and just? Do you accept it? Okay, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement with the adjustments and findings that the court have made in this case. Now, Mr. Patton, you're gonna have a seat because she has to redo the paperwork. Have a seat in that chair on the wall, wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you go to the window and you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Clarkton, I think this is your only case.
It is.
All right, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, okay, okay. Mr. Grove?
Yes, sir. Can I approach the bench?
Yes.
I have three here. Harris says none. And
Uh-huh.
he has a felony case in.
Treasurer Harris?
Yeah.
Where is she?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks, somebody to call her.
And she has a felony case in Judge West Court. Judge West just told me that case had been reset. They don't have a date for it yet, I don't think.
Okay,
But
okay, could you check? She's gonna check, once she's checked, if there is no court date. And then she's gonna continue to check the computer. And then, whatever date they give you down there, this case will be set on the same day.
okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir. And also, Judge, I have a motion to well, I guess reduce or to change bond conditions. Will that be on the same date also?
Yes,
Okay.
okay,
Yes, sir.
all right, give us that court date.
Thank you.
Oh. Once we find out a court date, we'll give it to you. If she doesn't have one today, you'll be free to go. And then remember that your felony case and your misdemeanor is gonna be on the same day. Okay,
And they haven't, they still says.
okay, so you're free to go.
They haven't, set her felony case, so I'll watch for it, and once I get off back to $2.
Okay, that'll be fine. Does she need to sign anything?
No,
Okay. All right, thank you, Judge.
okay. And this is the only case you have left?
That's the only case I have, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you're free to go.
And I'll be, one.
Yes. He's on the announcement docket. Page 2. Mr. Brown, your full name is Walter D. Brown? How are you doing, Mr. Brown? That's good, Mr. Brown. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Giles Cole. Attorney Cole, how are you doing?
Great, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Brown's case?
Mr. Brown, been made aware of his offer. We still need to go over a few more things. So essentially for his status. This is our first time.
Okay, give us a reset date. April 15th?
Yes.
Okay, this case is reset to April 15th, 2026. Mr. Brown, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go on your blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Okay, reset. Brown. Brian Troy Gooden. Mr. Gooden, your full name is Brian Troy Gooden.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good. Mr. Gooden, you're represented in your case by your Attorney Josh Cole. And Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Gooden's case?
Same situation. I know he was made aware of his own offer today. Did to go to discovery with him. What it's not doing.
Okay. Ms. Redmond, I guess we could what? Reset Mr. Gooden on the same date,
That works.
April 15th. Okay,
That's
you can have a seat, and wait for your name to go. Once your name is called, you go to the window and you'll be free to go. Anthony McFarland,
Your Honor.
you got 3 cases.
Yeah, I believe he might be in felony court.
Oh, I see it say set with felony.
Yes.
You know what court is? You might need to go check.
It's,
252nd, yeah, Judge. Wait.
that one's set for, March 16th already in 252nd.
I wonder if he's, well, you can, well, just go down there and check, see if he's there, because he was supposed to come here. Apparently, he didn't check in. Okay,
Excuse.
yes. Lysandra Hamilton. How you doing, Ms. Hamilton? I'm doing fine, thanks. Now, Ms. Hamilton, you are represented by Attorney Jennifer DeLodge. Attorney DeLodge has a vacation letter in this week, and so your case will be reset. Okay, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Mr. Burbank? You have Kendrick Noel?
Didn't do very good on the case, so I was trying to give it back.
Bond wasn't on. He wasn't. It's all good. It was.
Okay, Mr. Noel? Hi. Okay, Ms. Noel, how are you doing?
Okay.
That's good. And Ms. Noel, you represented in your cases by your attorney, Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge.
That's good. Now, is that a child?
That's mine.
Huh?
My stuff's done.
Okay, he's not supposed to be in there.
Oh,
Okay.
Now, Ms. Noel, you represented in your cases by your attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, what's your announcement in Mr. Noel's cases?
Your Honor, I have some information to give Mr. Williams. I know he is not present today, so I'd ask for one short reset. So that
Actually, I see Miss Nixon is on you, on those cases. The lady behind you, I see her name as being attorney, the state's attorney.
Well,
So you- So you need to get with her?
Talking to Mr. Williams.
Well, you know, they had some changes, so.
Yeah, in likelihood, whenever you're talking to them, we were going through those changes, so.
Yeah,
But yeah.
so you need to talk to Miss Nixon. I mean, okay. So we'll reset, you want us to reset your case?
Reset, so I can then give a talk.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, these cases will be reset to April 20th, 2026. Mr. Noel, you'll get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Right.
Sure.
Raphael Tillman. Mr. Tillman, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Tillman, you're representing your cases by attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, what's your announcements in Mr. Tillman's cases?
Yeah, we asked to replace on trial.
Okay. We're gonna place Mr. Tillman's cases on the trial docket.
April. Yeah, April 20th.
Okay, these cases will be reset to April 20th, 2026. You get your resets from court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go and you have a statement still. Is that Johanna Moman? Oh, Miss Moman, your full name is Johanna Grace Janae Moman. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And you're represented by attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, what's your announcement in Miss Moman's case?
Today we were given an offer of a pretrial.
Like pretrial diversion? That's what you said?
Yes. I need to talk to who's the prosecutor?
That'd be Cornelius.
Cornelius, yes.
I just need to talk to Cornelius, and then if we need to apply, we'll apply. For just one reset, Judge.
Okay, give us a standard reset. Yes, she's on page 1 of the announcement docket, third case.
April 15th.
This case will be reset to April 15th,
What is it, Judge?
April 15th, 2026 at 9 a.m. County Court at Law number 2, Ms. Moman, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall. You welcome. Jessica Helen Wright. I think they say she has a felony case.
Set for June 22nd, Your Honor, that's my understanding, in CDC.
She was here earlier. I wonder-
You may have reset it.
I don't know, the bailiff had called and she was here earlier because I have a check that's being here. We were told that she went to felony court. Oh.
She in custody?
I don't think, no. Apparently, the bailiff, the previous bailiff wrote a note on the docket sheet. It says she was in Judge Stevens.
I don't have anyone on my bond. See on this?
I don't know.
Andrew said something about June 22nd.
Somebody said something about,
Yeah, that's when the trial was set in CDC.
oh, so they set her for trial.
But but that was last week whenever I made this note.
But
So-
she showed up today though.
She may have been on the trial docket, but they canceled it.
Okay. So she just, I guess she got down there. They found out that.
So you,
trial document-
okay, so you're not requesting a bond forfeiture?
No, you're not.
Okay,
She,
okay,
she was,
okay, give us a reset date. Oh, it's gonna be reset on the same date that you said it was June 20th,
June 22nd.
June 22nd? Okay, this case will be reset to June 22nd, 2026.
Thank you,
Okay.
Judge.
All right, Mr. Burbank, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
A plea for Mr. Reynolds, you said? Jasmine Holloway? Which is on announcement. Court is in session and calls number 26 CCCR 0044. Case of style of state of Texas versus Jasmine Holloway. Miss Holloway, is that your full name?
Yes.
Ms. Holloway, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Holloway, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ms. Holloway, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Holloway? You okay? That's good. Now, Ms. Holloway, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Nathan Reynolds, and Attorney Reynolds. How are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Reynolds, do you waive a record in Ms. Holloway's case?
So wait.
Ms. Holloway, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jasmine Holloway, on or about November 13th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Ms. Holloway, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yeah.
To this charge, Ms. Holloway, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
Yep.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Ms. Holloway, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, Ms. Holloway, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yeah.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yeah.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yeah.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. First box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Ms. Holloway, I also have before me on paper a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yeah.
Ms. Holloway, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Holloway, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Still for 6-1.
Any objections to State's Exhibit Number 1?
No objection, states one.
No objection, State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Reynolds, you've advised and counseled Ms. Holloway. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None to my knowledge.
And Ms. Holloway, your attorney, Mr. Reynolds, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with this representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Ms. Holloway, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 90 days time served, court calls, tax and retired.
Ms. Holloway, the state is offering that you serve 95 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail in this case because you've already served 95 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Holloway, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Holloway, I'll follow the people are in agreement that you have entered into the state. Ms. Holloway, you're gonna stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And you'll be free to follow the bailiff. And Mr. Reynolds, you're free to go
Thank
and you have a blessed day. Court will be in recess. Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has Christopher's in. Okay, sir, what's your name? Oh, you gotta need to take your mic off of mute. Your mic is on mute. You're still on mute. You gotta take your mic off of mute. You might have to get off Zoom, and then when you come back on, it's gonna ask you if you want to mute it or not. If you don't know how to take it off of mute. Yeah, he can hear me, but his mic is on mute. I can't hear him. Gonna have to zoom back in. Just get off of mute and then zoom back in, and then when it asks you to mute it, don't mute it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's still on mute. Let me see if that, what's the name?
Anthony.
Okay, are you Anthony McFarland? If you are, just wave your hand. No. No, he's somebody else. He's saying Christopher something. I read his lips to say Christopher.
Okay.
Is that no Smith? There's a Christopher Smith. That's not him.
Hello?
Yes. That. Yeah. Okay. What's your name?
Man, sorry, this is my first time using Zoom. Christopher Gutierrez?
Gutierrez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Christopher Gutierrez. Could you? Okay, she's gonna look it up.
I think a lawyer said they put it on 325.
Who's your attorney?
James Paget, I think.
Paget?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you spell your last name?
Gutierrez.
Did you get that? Could you repeat it?
Gutierrez.
Okay, hold on a minute.
For March 25th at 9 a.m.
Okay, your case is set for March 25th at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Likewise.
Thank you.